Today at Tricks of the Trade, I'm going to give you a few tricks which is going to help you to build your wedding trousseau. Hi, I'm Pradyuman Malu. I'm a jewelry designer as well as a creative director of Nornament. To the young brides and grooms, I always tell them that buy something which is classic and elegant and modify it with a twist. Why do I say that? It is similar to, let's say, how we make our houses. We want the walls to be plain and simple, and the inside furniture you can always change and make it new whenever you want to do it. Similarly for jewelry also, if your structure is classic and elegant, you can always add and play with a few things here and there to match it according to the modern times. See, stones are something which I personally love, and as a trick I can say that it adds color not only to the jewelry but even to the wearer's mood and attitude. I would suggest a young bride that definitely have a classic emerald piece. So for the groom, I would suggest that an engagement ring is something which is always a classic. If you have to wear traditional kilangis, buy them in such a way that they can be modified into like a brooch, or like you can even modify them into a belt. So in terms of current design trends, stackable jewelry is something which is extremely trending. And in terms of design, I think more structural designs are coming into place and the curvy designs are now taking a back seat. So definitely something which is more geometrical again is trending very well. So another trick that a young bride and groom can use actually is to buy gender fluid jewelry. Gender fluid jewelry would be something like, where men has to wear a kilangi on the turban. It can be later converted as a brooch, or it can be converted as a pendant which can be worn by the women. Another great piece of jewelry that can be worn in multiple purposes is the buttons of the sherwani, which can be worn as studs later or can be worn as even cocktail rings later with a detachable movement. I hope a few of these tricks will help you to make your wedding shopping easier.